Hi guys, welcome back to Pink Alley's Gaming World. I haven't made a video in a while because I was a little bit sick. Like I have runny noses and then I was like a little busy. And you might not like really hear me that loud because like my but like that I have a little runny nose and stuff, but it doesn't matter. So today we're gonna be playing Welcome to Bloxburg. You know why? Because I made a house that is like a castle and I'm still working on it. So now the basement is gonna be a dungeon and I'm working on the dungeon right now. So I wanna make it like a real castle, really. Like real. So let's get started. How do I set this already? Okay. Okay, let's start building. Okay, so here's the basement. Now this is gonna be very hard. I don't know how am I gonna do this, but here's like dungeon. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Let's think for a second. I just gotta. Why is it white? Did I ever color it white? I think so. Okay, so let's start here. Do. I think the basement costs too much. Yeah, I wasted like 10,000 or something. But it doesn't matter. I'm gonna order more books. If we waste all this stuff. Okay. It doesn't want to connect though. Huh? Okay. Sure. I was What if they escape? Oh, they're never gonna escape, I think. Never. Never. Okay. Why does it want to connect? So strange. I will have to actually. I didn't mean to do that. I'm gonna erase everything. Okay, for a second. Okay. We need a wall. Okay. We need to start right here. If they go to. Oh my god, just work already. Do I have to connect? Okay. Okay. Right here. And then we start here and okay, now what we have to do is we're gonna have to do this, delete it, find another wall, and maybe start to here, then there, to there, to there. Yes! Okay, now we need to copy down the. This one is gonna be the big area, so if they're like VIP, if they're rich, they like robs. Just joking. Yes. Maybe we should add in a little door. Okay, now we need to start off with the floors. I think I have to do a part 2. Okay, so I'm at 5 right now. I was just checking. Okay, I was just checking because it stops at 15. Or I could do little log. Don't we have to redo it? Yeah. Oh, why? Okay. Standing straight. Come, what, do. This is not my house. Oh my god. I was like, what? I was like, this is not my house, but I wish it was because it looks so dark. Like this looks so coming. Okay, now we need doors. So which kind of door? We need a fata door. I don't know what kind of pick. This? Like a shit. I think I like this. Now we need secure. Oh, I know what to do. I know what to do. Let's make a little path to right here. So there is gonna be the dungeon. So this is where we're gonna walk. What about they're gonna escape? Why am I thinking about this? Well, maybe we could add it like right here to this. Like keep this area and then we would go down right here. We put them there, get out, do. And then we lock it. I don't know. Yeah, let's do that. So we're just gonna put the medic floor like that so nobody realizes. And then we're just gonna get it right here. Oh god. How are we gonna do this? Work! And then right here. Okay, I like it. And then let's just add it a little. Oh, I wonder if we're gonna fit actually. Okay, let's leave baby right here. So, do, and right there. Perfect! I'm starting to get this runny nose now. Whew, okay. Now we done that, now we need to work under. So, let's open. Okay. It looks so creepy. I wonder how it's gonna seem. So first we need like some. Maybe let's go on decorate. And let's search for fire. Fire. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fire alarm. Oh god. How did he do that? Ugh, that was my desk. I was muted. I'm just gonna. How dare you not do that? But why do I talk like that? I wonder if there's any more ideas. People like use this. Oh, there it is. Yes, yes. There it is. Yes, yes. I'm a queen. I'm a queen. Good save. Okay. There we go. Da 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 da. Okay, now what we need is a toilet. Okay, toilet, toilet, toilet. Where are the toilets? Toilet, toilet, toilet. We need a toilet, 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 toilet. Okay, here, I think we're gonna keep it right here. And then they need to wash their hands because I don't want any germs. Okay, just mind your own business. Maybe no toilet paper. Actually, yeah. Okay, let's try to say toilet paper. Toilet paper. Okay, there we go. We're just gonna go for the worry wood there. And then now they need to think. I mean, let's use a small, tiny bed. Oh, let's actually put it on the ground. Yeah, by the sink. Yeah, that's perfect. And what about they sleep in a baby crib instead? Maybe? I don't know. Okay, what else do we need? We need... It looks so real for a second. How do we turn? I think we do E. Okay. And I literally just did the black thing. I'm safe, respectful, and ready. Yes. So safe, respectful, and ready. Right? Safe, 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 respectful, and ready. Yeah, okay. I got mixed up there for a second. Okay. Tables, 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 tables. Oh, what kind of table do we need? We're just gonna go for the log table. We're not gonna go for anything fancy. Yeah. Ooh, okay. Now we need chairs. Chairs, chairs, chairs. And then where are they gonna eat? You know what? They're gonna eat on the floor. On the floor. So that means we gotta go for a hard carpet. Or bathroom mat. I'm gonna put it. Maybe not a bathroom mat. Okay, that's for the dungeon. Right. Now we're gonna add in this whole thing to this whole room somehow. I don't know how we're gonna do that, but we're gonna try. Because maybe we could work on the dungeon like later, but it's gonna be like the same. Now let's go upstairs. Why is there fire? I think I'm gonna head a little down again, and we're gonna move the fire down. Right here. Right. Yeah, it's good. This we're just gonna move a little down. This we're just gonna move a tiny bit more down, and this is where I can see it. Okay, so right here we're gonna add it right